Welcome to part 26, install requirements. So now that we have our virtual environment created, we're going to install our requirements. We will do a couple of things. First, we will upgrade pip, as the pip installed from the package manager apt is not the most up-to-date version. We'll then install a package called wheel. This actually helps install other binary files through pip. So it's just a helper library. And then we'll actually install the requirements for our project. Let's flip over here to our dashboard and we will install or upgrade pip. And the way you upgrade with pip, okay, so we're upgrading the package pip, and pip is also the package manager. So it's kind of interesting, you see it twice. And we're not actually installing it. The -u stands for upgrade. So that's what we're going to do here, and it'll upgrade to the latest version. And if we now do pip-version, we'll see that it's 21.2.4. So this is this is the latest version. You can see here it was 20.1.1. So now we have the latest version. And then next we will install a library called wheel. So this is a very quick installation, and this will help us install the other packages, which will be in, this will be in wheel format, which will be a Python binary. And now, so if we do ls again, we can see, all right, here's our requirements.txt. You actually look at the requirements again if you want to, with this cat function, or this cat command. So here they are. This is what will be installed. I'm just looking at all the contents of this file. That's what that does. And so the last step here is just to pip install -r requirements.txt. So this will install, this command just goes through all the lines in this file and installs all those packages at specific versions. And there it goes. So that's quite a bit. And you can see it says building wheel for dash table. So that's why the wheel package is important. It helps install many of these packages that have wheels or binaries. All right, it's complete. So we've set up our environment and it's ready to launch. We just have to set up set up this server now, and then we will be able to go visit our IP address and see our dashboard.